In this tip, we're going to take a look at some autofills in Excel. Some of these you may be aware of, perhaps most of them. For example, if you type January in a cell and grab the fill handle and pull, it fills in the months of the year. You can type January or abbreviate Jan, and it will give you the abbreviated version of the month. You can do the same thing for a day of the week. Just grab the fill handle on the particular cell, Mon, and just drag it down. One of the more handy examples of an autofill is basically a step process. You enter the first value and then the step. So I want to count. I want a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. You enter the first value and then the step value. The key is to highlight both the values and then with the fill handle pull down. If you want it to count by 5, enter the first value 5, the step value, which is 5, being the next value being 10, highlight both and then pull down or pull sideways, etc. This works across a row as well as down a column. You can do this, perhaps you want it to list the week starting on January 1st of this year. January 1st, 2023, a week later, the 8th, highlight both values, and of course, widen the column, and you have the weeks. Also, if you type in 1STQTR, first quarter, you can pull that down for second quarter, third quarter, etc. It repeats first, second, third, fourth, first, second, because there is no fifth quarter, unless you're in sudden death overtime. And again, an autofill that's custom, already set in Excel. What you can do as well is if you have certain lists that you use all the time. So for Valentine's Day week, here we have some candy. I want to use this list all the time. So what you can do is add this to the autofill list. You do that by clicking File and Options. You want the advanced options and scroll down almost to the bottom to the General section, and you can edit the custom lists. I want to import this list. I can simply click into the box for the import, highlight the list I wish to import in the list that I've made, click import, it adds it, and I click OK, and then I click OK again, and here I can type my first entry, chocolate frog tongue, very tasty. And then again the fill handle and pull the list down. You can also type in the list if it doesn't exist. If you go back to File, Options, Advanced, and again scroll down almost to the bottom where you get to the General and you have Edit Custom Lists. You can type in the list right here in the list entry. I'm going to simply copy paste a list of office cities, perhaps, the first being Geneva. I can click Add, click OK, click OK. Come here, type Geneva, And again, the AutoFill pull handle. Make sure it's a small black cross on the bottom right corner of the cell, and I can drag my list of cities. To remove your lists, again, just simply return to the Options file, Options, Advanced, scroll down to General, Edit Custom List. I can select my chocolate frog tongue list. I can simply delete. I can click OK, permanently delete it. Click OK again, close my options, and that list is gone. I hope you found this useful. Again, using the AutoFill and creating your own custom. Thank you for watching.